Hi my dear students, welcome to a new class. How are you? Are you doing fine? Yes, thank you. I am also doing fine. Today's class is a very interesting class. In the last class we finished our second chapter, right? What's the name of the chapter? Yeah, it is addition and subtraction. Then I told you in the next class we will have a surprise activity, right? Yes. And it is nothing but the magic square. Do you want to know more about the magic square? Yes, I will tell you. Actually, it is a leisure time activity or a fun time activity which you can use your brain to find the solutions. And it is little bit related to the addition and subtraction, the application of the addition and subtraction. Okay, that will help us to do the addition and subtraction in our mind. So it is a kind of mental maths. Okay, so you are waiting to know more about it? Then show me a thumbs up. Yes, very good. So let's see what is meant by a magic square.
So now we are going to see what is meant by a magic square. In recreational mathematics means fun time mathematics or leisure time mathematics. A square is called a magic square if the sums of the numbers in each row, each column and both main diagonals are the same. The constant sum is called the magic constant. That means a square can be considered as a magic square if the sum of the numbers in each row and column and the diagonals gives us the same number called constant sum. Here we have a square with how many small squares? Yes, 9 because we have 3 rows and 3 columns. Right? Yes. Also, here we can see some red arrows and some green arrows. Right? Yes. The red arrows represents the rows and the straight down green arrows represent the columns and the slanted green arrows represents the diagonals. And here we can see a number called 15, right? So that means the 15 is the constant sum of this magic square. That means when we add the numbers in the rows, we get 15. When we add the numbers in the columns, we get 15. And when we add the numbers in the diagonals, we get 15. I will show you an example. See, this is a square. It is a magic square with some numbers filled in the 9 squares. 9 small squares. Right? Yes. What is the first row? 2, 7 and 6. What is the sum of 2, 7 and 6? 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Right? Yes. Then coming to the second row, we have 9, 5 and 1. What is the sum of 9 and 5? Yeah, it's 14. Right? Then when 14 is added with 1, we will get 15. Wow, the first row and the second row has the same value. Now moving to the third row, we have 4, 3 and 8. We know 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus 8 is 15. So the 3 rows gives us the same number 15 as their sum. Then moving to the columns, we have the first column with numbers 2, 9 and 4. The sum of 2 and 9 is 11. 11 plus 4 gives us 15. Then in second column we have 7, 5, 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. Wow. Then the third column 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. So in both the case of rows and columns we got the sum as 15. Then let's check what is happening with the diagonals. The first diagonal is having the numbers 2 and 5 and 8 on it. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. The second diagonal with 6, 5 and 4 also gives us the sum 15 as 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 4 is 15. Thus, we saw that this is a magic square with the sum 15. Now, see this square. What are the numbers in the first row? Yes, 8, 1 and 6. What is the sum? Yeah, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15. Then the second row, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 7 is 15. Then the third row, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. So here.
And now we have that square with us, right? Yes, this is a magic square with the magic sum 15, right? Here in the 3 columns, 3 rows and the 2 diagonals, we have the sum as 15, right? Yes, so in this way, you can find or create so many magic squares yourself. So here I am giving you an activity to find a magic square or create a magic square yourself and submit it on coming Monday. Ready? So now here I have made a magic square myself. Can you see? Yes. So this is a 3 by 3 magic square and the magic sum is 21. So in this way you can create a magic square of yourself using the cardboard and numbers using the chart papers. Okay, and make a magic square like this and take a photograph and send it to me. That is your activity. Ready? So now we will complete this magic square. Okay, so here we need to find the magic sum as 21. So the sum of the rows, columns and the diagonals must be 21. So here we have 6, 10, 11 and 9 with us. Okay, so let's fill this squares. Okay, so here let's begin with the first row. We know that 6 plus 10 is 60 and we need to make the sum as 21. So 6 plus 10 gives 60. How many numbers is needed to make the sum 21? Yes, we know that 21 minus 16 is 5. So we need to put 5 here. So here I am fixing the 5. So now 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 10 is 21. So now we can complete this column, right? Because we have 2 numbers and 1 number is missing. We know that 6 plus 11 is what? Yes, 17. To make it 21, we need 4. So here place 4. So 6 plus 11 is 17 plus 4 is 21. Now here we have 5 and 9. In this column we have 5 and 9 and we can find the missing number here. What is the sum of 9 and 5? Yeah, it is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. So place 7 here. So we need to find 2 more numbers. Okay. Now we can complete this row. So here we have 11 and 7. What is the sum of 11 and 7? Yes, 11 plus 7 is 18. How many more is required to make the sum as 21? 11 plus 7 is 18 and 18 plus 3 is 21. So I am placing 3 here. So now my magic square will be complete if I have 1 more number here. So we finished 2 rows, 2 columns and 1 diagonal. Now we need to complete this pattern. Okay. So here we have 6 and 7. The sum of 6 and 7 is 13. And we know that 13 plus 8 is 21. So my magic square is complete. And the magic sum is 21. Okay. So let's check whether the sum is 21. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 10, 21. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. Similarly, here we have verified it is 21. Here also it is 21. Here it is 18 plus 3, 21. And the 2 diagonals also gives us 21. See? So this is the magic square. Do you like it? Yes. So in this way, you can make or create as many magic squares you can. Okay. So try, create, take a photograph and send it to me. Thank you.